안녕하세요. 오늘은 내 친구와 나는 한국 과자를 먹을 것입니다. 약속합니다.
Alright, hi everyone. So today, my friend and I, hey everyone, we're going to Daiso to get some snacks. We're gonna try some Korean snacks for you guys to tell you if it's good or not. So we're on our way to Daiso, so let's go. Yeah. So these are all the snacks at Daiso. They got so many. I know. So many snacks. They also have ramen. Alright, so these are like one of my favorite snacks here in Korea. I also like these. They like prawn chips, and let me see if I can find it. Oh, these are also really good. These are really good. I'm gonna let her try a lot. They also have Oreos. These are also really good, Ace. I haven't tried a lot, but we'll get different kinds. No way! Alright. 1, 2, 3. 안녕하세요. Alright, hi y'all. So we got all our snacks here. There's a lot, so we're gonna be trying all of them. So how about you pick first? What is that? Oh, oatmeal. So this is the first one. We got it at Daiso. It was 1,000 won, which is like 75 cents in America. Yeah. I know it's cheap. Alright, let's see. So we're gonna taste them and then rate them, right? Alright, so this is what it looks like. Like this. And alright. I remember I had these at my school before, but they're so good. Yeah. If you're in Korea, try these at Daiso.
I love them.
These are good.
So I get them.
How would you rate it?
10.
10? Me too.
Solid 10.
Solid 10. It was
Yeah.
so good. Really good. Alright, next one. Oh, we're not trying these. This is my cereal. Alright. So next one is this. This is like one of my favorites. It's so good. It's like a sweet potato chips.
Let's try them out.
This one was 2,001. So 75 cents times 2. I can't do the math right now. Okay. Go first. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like thicker than the regular sweet potato chips I've seen. And it's supposed to have honey on it. So
We'll see.
cheers.
Cheers.
Don't make that face. This is like my favorite one. It's so good. You don't like it?
I mean, it's not horrible.
Let's go.
Okay.
Sweet potato
Wait to
mustang. So there's a dish that's like it looks like this. Have you tried it? My school had it one time. It's like sweet potatoes and then they mix like honey and sesame seeds or something.
I
Yeah,
haven't.
it is so good.
I mean,
How would you rate it?
a 5.
5.
Okay, 6.
I rate it a 10.
Okay.
10 out of 10. This is like my favorite snack.
It's
So
a
good.
6 for me.
Yes, 6 for her, 10 for me.
Okay.
Alright, pick the next one. that down. Candy. Okay. So we're gonna try dalgona. Dalgona. This was in Squid Game. Yes. So this is what they look like. It's not like the traditional one, but here. It smells like
Honey. No sugar.
sugar. Yeah, burnt sugar, right?
Mm.
All right, let's see. It tastes like burnt sugar. I am very disappointed. I thought it would taste very different.
I mean,
You like it?
mm,
I don't really like it.
I'm not mad at it.
It's too much sugar for me. Mm-mm. This is a 4.
As someone who doesn't like sugar, this is okay.
This is a 4. I don't like sugar either, but this
I'll
is
give
a
it
4.
a 6.
6.
Yeah.
Very disappointed.
I'll have you later. I'm putting all my faves here.
Alright, we're gonna try honey butter chips.
Butter. Butter.
Butter.
Butter.
Honey butter chip. Honey butter chip.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is also 2,000. 75 cents times 2. I don't really like these. And you've never tried these before, right?
Yeah, never.
Alright, so we're gonna see if she likes it. Okay. Ew.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a little bit. Yeah, okay. Cheers. Ching ching. Sorry, I don't like these. 0. Honey butter gets 0.
I kind of like them.
You do?
Mm.
You can have it. I don't want it.
Thanks.
I rate it a 0. What's your
7.
rating? 7?
A 0.
I don't like them. It's like the aftertaste, like a weird butter aftertaste.
It does have that.
Yeah.
but A 7. Not bad at all.
0. All right, you pick next. Oh, we already tried
Didn't
that.
have these? Oh.
Yeah. Another one. Those I haven't tried before. It's like a chocolate biscuits. Happy Moo. What? She said they don't look nice. What? They look so cute. Look at them, the little guys on there. Oh, I think I would like these. I can open it.
Yay.
This is a blooper. Alright. They just look like biscuits. Cheers. Side-eyeing this one. These are good. It's not too chocolatey. Are you just saying that? I think you're just saying that. You like it?
Being sarcastic.
You don't like it? I knew it. These are so good. I love these. You go to Daiso? Get them. Oh, I like this. Alright, I would rate it, I would say a 9.
7.
7?
Not mad at them.
No matter.
Yeah.
Alright, my turn. Let's try this one. So this one is kukudasu. What is that?
White.
Kukudasu. Watch your mouth. So we're gonna try Crown. I've had these in America before and I really like them. So how do you open this? All right. Do you want to share one, or do you want to?
I don't know what is this.
Let's share one first, so you can try it. Ooh! So this is what it looks like. It's so good. Here, break. Oh, Jesus. This is so good.
It tastes like Itzamo. If you're South African, you know what I'm talking about.
What's it called?
It's Itzamo.
It's a mole.
Itzamo.
It's a mole.
I will show you.
This is so good. I love this so much. Yeah, you should try it too.
Way too sugary.
That's sugary. Not the other thing. How would you rate this one?
5.
I think it's like a 6 for me.
4.
Hey, it's a 6 for me. What does it look like?
It tastes like these.
Oh,
Itzamo.
it's some. It's some. Ah, if you're South African, that's what it tastes like. Next one. Ooh, okay. So macaroon. I got these at Latte Super actually. Yeah, and I really like them. Which color do you want to try?
I don't like macaroni, so
It doesn't really taste
Anyway.
like macaroon.
let's go for the blue one.
Blue. I'm
You
gonna
don't
get
have
blue too.
pink?
No,
No.
I think I ate them all. I'm gonna go for the blue one too. I really like these though. So this is what the wrapper looks like. And hey, you already ready?
I'm ready.
This is what it looks like, y'all. Alright. Good, right? It's like biscuit with like something in the middle, cream in the middle. How would you rate this one?
9.
9? I think I'm giving it an 8.
9.
Yeah, I really like it.
Not too sugary. Just almonds.
Yes. All right. There's only.
We're not trying the other color.
Oh. Sorry, ma'am. All right.
Yellow.
We're gonna try the yellow ones. So this is what the yellow one looks like. So the yellow one is lemon, I believe. They have different flavors. So milk flavor, strawberry, and lemon. So I guess the blue one is the milk flavor, and then the pink is strawberry, and then lemon. Oh jeez. All right, got it. You like it? It's good. What does it taste like in South Africa?
Lemon creams.
Lemon cream.
Yeah. Lemon cream. Love them.
How would you rate this one?
10.
10? Okay. I think that's your first 10, right? Which one do you rate 10?
The first thing we had.
Oh.
Rice cake. I don't know. Is it rice cake?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Yeah.
I think I'll rate it an 8 as well. Yeah, an 8. Alright, next one. Let's try candy or crackers. Candy. Alright, so this is another candy. What is it called? Sutuk candy. Sutuk candy. I don't know what that means. But it has like different flavors. These are the flavors at the bottom right here, so you guys can see. Alright, so there is grape and watermelon. Which one do you want?
Which one do you want?
I don't care. Watermelon.
Yeah.
I have the grape one. She has watermelon.
Water.
Watermelon. Water.
Water.
Ew. Water. Alright, this is what it looks like. Show the camera. You hate it?
Mm-mm.
You like it?
Not mad at all. I like it.
It is so good.
Mm.
I should get more. I actually got these from my students, but then I stole some. I got these.
Where did you get these?
Daiso. So good.
I love it.
This is a 10.
10.
So well. Alright, enough with the licking. Alright. Last snack. Yeah.
A tick.
This one is butter waffle or butter waffle. Waffle. I love poo.
Stop.
I can't.
You're making me sad.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna try the butter waffle. This is like another one of my favorites, so I hope you like it. It's not too buttery like that creepy freaking butter chips, honey butter chips.
Oh. I love them, man.
They are not even good. There you go.
Not even getting this one.
Alright, so this is what they look like. They're like a flat waffle. Very crispy. Oh yeah. Wait, did I do that right?
Ching ching.
Alright. Chung! Never gets old.
I don't like it.
Why? It's so crispy.
Okay.
You like it?
Okay.
This is a 9 for me.
7.
7. Really good. We're so hungry. We didn't even have lunch yet, so. But anyways, oh, you said 9, right?
7.
7? You went down. Did you say a 9?
I said 7.
I'm gonna rewatch this.
7.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
Like, comment, share,
and
subscribe. And subscribe.
yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this. If you want her to try anything else, if you're South African and you want her to try something, put in the comments and I'll make her do it. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.
In hindsight, these are not good.
You want to change your rating?
I'm changing my rating.
To what? 0? I gave it a 0. Okay.
1.
A 1? You're being too generous.
There's something nice about them, but I can't pinpoint it. Pinpoint it.
Maybe
I'm
like
even choking.
maybe it tastes.
Cut.